Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Team Magic. In this video, we're gonna show you and teach you an amazing card magic trick that we don't know how should we describe it. So let's get started. Here's the format. We have four aces. Put it on the table. Don't touch it. We spread the cards like this. You tell them to say stop anywhere that they like. They would say here. Now we tell them that let's see your card. Let me focus it. It's 10 of clubs. So we tell them that we will turn it over here like this, and now we put this pile and this pile like this, but we should not put it completely. Now we tell them that you pull out your card and put it somewhere in the middle of the deck. So in these cards. Oh, well. And now we will count these cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And I grab a card and I put it here. So now the spectator's card is gone. And now we'll pass through our deck. One card is face down and it is the spectator's card. Well, it was great. Let's see the tutorial. Well guys, you saw the performance and I hope that you like it and you enjoy it. So here's a tutorial. You'd make it quick because we know if it be long, you don't like to watch it. So as we say, we should choose four cards that the numbers are like each other. In this case, we choose ace because we think that it's better than the others, and you can choose kings, queens, or jacks if you like. In this part, while you are showing it to them, the fourth aces, you should not grab the fourth ace and do like this. Let me show you why again, and let me show you again. Show them. Oh, this one was here. It should be like this. Let me show you again. My cards are PVC, so okay, it should be like this. In this part, we should make a pinky break. I think you know what is pinky break. We told you for several times. So yeah, go and check our previous videos. Again, it should be like this when we are putting the three aces on this ace. Should be a pinky break like this. In here it's like this, and in here everything is clear and fair for the spectator. They don't know that we chosen like just three aces. They don't know that there is one ace right here that is face up at the top of the deck. So this part we should be quick. You should put a like this. They should not see this ace. Let me show you again. So no, they didn't see this ace, and they think that in here we have four aces, but like it is not like that. They don't know that in here we have an ace. So yeah, then in this part we should spread the card like this. Do this. Be careful to not show them this card. So in this part we tell them to say stuff. We assume that they say stop right here. Okay. We like again. Let me show you. We should spread the card like this. We tell them to say stop. We should put the card a little like farther than the bottom card. Let me show you. In this part, this is the hardest part of this trick. It's a little hard. I think you can do it. I don't think you can do it like for the first time or the second time because we couldn't do that. So in this part, we should, while you are like talking to them and you're distracting them and you're shaking your hands, you should put this card right here. Again, let me show you. It's right here. Again, let me do this. They say like right. Well, you are doing this and doing this. In here, we are moving this card, and yeah. then that this card is left right here. So right now we tell them that, this is your card, the 12 clubs. Okay, then in this part, it's a little harder than the previous part, because in this part you can do it with practice, but in this part it's a little harder. But of course you can do anything with practice. So yeah, let's do not say anything. Then we tell them that we should turn your discard, your card, and make it face down. Right now, when you are talking to them, you should do a pinky. This one, like this.
It can be pinky break or it can be a break. It's not important.
You should like this. Look. I do it. Oh, I choose two cards, I think, because my cards are not look. They are not very great. So I choose luck. Now I choose one card, and we tell them that I want to put like this pile and this pile. So yeah, they don't think that we put this ace on this pile, and of course you should not show them this card like this. Now we tell them that I put the rest of the pile on it, and I want to pull this card out and put it. This is the ace. The card that's like the shows is now in the deck and it's face down.
But they think that this is their card. We should not show it, of course, that this is the ace. Now you have three aces.
And you put the fourth ace, but they don't know.
And now we start to counting.
We say one. You cannot count if you like really don't want, but I count because it's more cooler. When you want to pull the second card, with this hand you should grab the first card. And now this fifth card.
They think it's 5 cards, but it's 4 cards actually.
One, we pull it with this hand. 2, 3, 4, and 5. But it's just 4 aces. Now in this part we just do nothing. We do this and we tell them that I want to put your card on this card, on this deck. So now, and we open the card, and one card is face down like this, and it is your card. Look, and the fourth aces are here. We hope that you like this trick, and it would really fool you, because